Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
There's a season, they're gonna see it in court. I'm gonna play a good boy because I gave them the permission to play it. You're gonna see in the BBC as well. Oh, you're gonna see it in BBC as well. But yeah. Omi yale tó bá gbé evidence yẹn mi mọ nǹkan tó dé tó gbé fún wọn láti jọjọ evidence tó ní ṣó mọ̀ pé ó tẹ̀lé wọn wá ẹjọ́ wà ni na ṣó mọ̀ pé ẹjọ́ wá ṣiṣẹ́ tẹjọ́ wá ṣàmì ni ẹjọ́ wá ṣàmì ni evidence tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin ṣó ti yẹ ṣó kò yẹ nsin tó gba fóònù mi fún odidi 9 months ó ti yẹ tí wọ́n discharge case tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ní case evidence tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbé wá forward jọba mi submit ẹ lọ́n di 28. Bá mi submit ẹ kò yé ya bá mi submit ẹ lọ́n di 28 ó ti yẹ tó máa gbé CCTV jáde tó bá correspond fún evidence olórí burúkú tó sọ pé ó níyẹn ṣé kò yẹ tó fi torí ẹ gbé òbò mi sórí social media o bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ jiyàn pé kò ṣe òbò mi ló gbé sórí social media tó ti torí ẹ boyfriend mi ń bọ́ mi jà kékeré yé sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ tó ti torí ẹ torí tèmi yé mi tó ti torí ẹ gbé òbò mi sórí social media ayé á bàjẹ́ ìmọ̀ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ya ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ òye ya ayé tó bá yàtọ̀ sí evidence CCTV cameras tó wà ń bíbà tó bá yàtọ̀ ṣé kò yé ya fún evidence tó gbé dání ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ lórí social media because ìwọ́n tí o ti gbọ́jọ́ kú ẹ̀ náà ikú ẹ̀ máa kọ́ ayé ẹ̀ máa conscious kò yẹ ayé ẹ̀ ò lè pẹ́ láyé ṣé kò yẹ ẹrù ẹlẹ́rù tó fẹ́ rù yẹn wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ní tẹ̀lé lọ́bẹ̀ tó lọ́ tẹ̀lé ra wọn fún ẹ báyìí wọ́n tẹ̀lé fún àwọn fún ìyá ẹ̀ wọ́n tẹ̀lé ra wọn fún ìyá ẹ̀ so on the 28 yẹn evidence yẹn gba wọn gbé wá síbẹ̀ ó ti yẹ ń sìn evidence tí wọ́n ní ó ti yẹ tí wọ́n rí mú tó yẹ pé ìwọ ló tẹ̀lé wọn wá tó wá ní evidence yẹn lọ́wọ́ wàá lò inú ọmọ nǹkan tí inú mi ṣe ń dùn this is United Kingdom this is UK they can take time to do whatever they want to do but at the end of the day the truth shall prevail òye ìyá bá wọn gbé wá ṣé ti yẹ jẹ́ àpadà sórí Lizzy Anjorin jẹ́ àpadà sórí Lizzy Anjorin because táwọn èèyàn bá ń sọ kọ́tọ̀kọ̀tàn òye yín sìn ẹ má máa believe wọn o kọ́tọ̀kọ̀tàn ló ń sọ o ó sì yẹyin sìn òun gangan níwájú ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀yin ò bá sọ pé kò bá ti sáré gbé evidence yẹn lọ because wọ́n fi odi because wọ́n gba fọ́ọ̀mù mi ní on the 28th of December 2023 ó ti yẹyin wọ́n fún mi padà 9 months after wọ́n discharge case wọn wọ́n mú case wọn wọ́n dànù wọ́n throwaway ẹ̀ dànù pé àwọn ò rí evidence àwọn ò rí nǹkan kan tí wọ́n ń sọ nípa mi díẹ̀ sàn ṣùgbọ́n Adébímpé wá sórí social media ó lóun ní evidence because òun lòun tẹ̀lé wọn wá ṣàmì Adébímpé wà lára àwọn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ wọn wá ṣàmì ṣé kò yé yín sìn ó tẹ̀lé wọn wá torí ẹ̀ ní Adébímpé ṣe ní ìwòwò mi lọ́wọ́ that's why tí Adébímpé have my own noodle ó ti yé yín sìn that's why tó ṣe ní lọ́wọ́ so ó ní evidence lọ́wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kó gbé wá tó bá ti di April kò yé tó bá ti di April kó gbé wá ó ti yé ya kọ́ọ̀tì mínítì yìí kò gbé dání kò fi ṣe evidence mi yé mi o ó ti yé ya wàá gbà kò yé ya wàá rí ó dìgbà yẹn náà let me just keep my mouth shut let me be looking at him because mo máa padà fi yín ṣẹlẹ́yà ni lórí ìkànnì ẹ máa padà dé ẹni ẹ̀sín because ẹ ti wọṣọ ẹ̀sín already kò yé yín ẹ ti wọṣọ ẹ̀sín ẹ ti momi ẹ̀sín ẹ ti wọ bàtà ẹ̀sín already kò yé ya yín ẹ wá ń wá memorialization lórí burúkú Lizzy Anjorin ó wá ń wá memorialization olórí ibú nílé ayé yìí tẹ́ bá díjú hello ace tẹ́ bá díjú wàá rí imú ẹ kò yẹ ń sìn you don't quick to attack people because of male things ó lè ní náà ní Lizzy ń jà o ìwọ tó bá ralẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Lizzy ayé ẹ bàjẹ́ ni o ṣé kò yẹ ń sìn ilé òṣì ló ń tà o ẹ ṣáà gbọ́ nǹkan tí mọ̀mí ọba ńlá sọ wọ́n ní inú gbó kìjikìji nílẹ̀ wà and they are not lying ṣé kò yẹ yín sí they are not lying. Inú gbó kìjikìji ni. Tó bá ra yẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, you are just. Ó kàn jẹ́ yí pé ní ìgbà yẹn tí Esabod máa ń polówó PSO. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Esabod àti Lizzy ń jà. Anything ni Esabod fi bá Lizzy jà nípa business ẹ̀. Ṣé kò yé yín sí? Nípa business ẹ̀. Esabod lè má ṣe dáadáa nígbà yẹn. Ṣé ti yé yín sí? Ṣùgbọ́n nísìn tó wá rí pé PSO ti gbé ẹ lọ sí court. Ṣé kò yé ya ẹ̀? Ó wá wò yí pé ó yá o. Jẹ́ wọ́n máa gbé Esabod mọ́ lórí burúkú ni ẹ. Ta ní pé Esabod bó ṣe wà yẹn. Ó fẹ́ jókòó kó máa gba gbogbo millions tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ PSO. Kò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣó tí gbogbo àwọn tó jáde yẹn wọn ò ní tó bẹ̀ láti bọ́ síta. Wọn ò ní lè bọ́ síta. Pé PSO mú gbówó àwọn lọ. Ta ní PSO àti Esabod wọ́n wà ní good relationship. Esabod ò wo bẹ̀. Esabod lè ṣe kó máa gbowó ẹ̀ lọ. Èwo ló kàn ṣe bó ń polówó ni. Ó lè ṣe tí PSO dẹ̀ máa gbowó yín lọ. But Esabod refuse to do that. That is one thing máa ṣe fún lákólé di títí. Ó refuse láti wò pé kí PSO kó máa forward àwọn èèyàn lọ. Ó refuse láti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé kò yé yín sìn? Ó rí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn ló wá ń bọ̀ òun pé PSO mo fáwọn nílẹ̀, PSO mo fáwọn nílẹ̀, PSO mo fáwọn nílẹ̀. Esabod wá síta. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wọ́n bẹ̀ sí bọ́ síta. Ìwọ wá rò bóyá opportunity yẹn because nígbà tí Esabod ń polówó PSO ó ti yẹ tó ń fi ba ilẹ̀ títí ẹ jẹ́. Ìwọ jáde náà. Esabod ló yẹ kó máa gbé ṣépè. Ó yẹ kó máa gbé Esabod ṣépè ni. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé PSO mú ṣépè. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ gbogbo àṣírí ẹ̀ fún aráyé. Tani pé ó bá farabalẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ tèní ìwọ ló bá lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀. Bó lórí burúkú ẹ̀ ó lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ nítorí pé PSO ó jàre gbogbo kóòtù tó gbé ẹ lọ. Gbogbo kóòtù tí PSO mú gbé ẹ lọ ó jàre ẹ̀ because number one PSO mo fi ọjọ́ kan ṣe show fún ẹ rí. Kò fi ọjọ́ kan ṣe show fún ẹ rí. Ó máa ṣépè fún ọmọ ẹ̀, wá ṣépè fún àwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀. Èyí tó ti kú nínú ilé ẹ̀ gan wá ṣépè fún. Wá ṣépè fún gbogbo business ẹ̀. That is not how you roll. Tí Esabod wá sọ pé cream ò dá tí Farida ló dá. Farida kọ́ ló máa ṣépè fún. Hello? Farida kọ́ ló máa ṣépè fún. Torí number one, Farida ò ever láti ẹnu ara ẹ̀ kó sọ pé cream ò dá. Ó mọ orí mélòó tó ti gbá ní táyé ẹ̀ fi bàjẹ́. Kò yẹ Esabod ló yẹ kó direct ọ̀rọ̀ sí. Kò ṣe Farida. Kò ṣe PSO, so many people tó ń polówó lọ́wọ́ Esabod gbogbo pátápátá ló ṣépè fún nígbà tí Sọjí náà kò yẹ ó ti torí ẹ̀ ó pa ìyá Abímbọ́lá ó ti torí ó pa ìyá yẹn dànù nígbà tí Sọjí náà ó fún Abímbọ́lá ní court letter pé kò lè dá Sọjí dákẹ́ kò lè sọ fún Sọjí pé kó dákẹ́ ó fún ní court letter ó mú ìyá ẹ̀ padà nù because ìyá ẹ̀ ló máa bá sáré àdúrà kiri àbí. So many of them gbogbo wọn bẹ́ẹ̀yẹn tó ń polówó tó dẹ̀ ń jà torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe ń gba ìpolówó ó ti yé yín sìn torí mi ìfẹ́ kan bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́ mi ìfẹ́ kan tara mi fi bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n kò lè yé yín ṣé kò yé yín kò lè yé yín mò ń gba ìpolówó lọ́wọ́ anybody ó lè jẹ́ pé bí mo ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tí mò ń bá jà ó lè máa wò pé òun ni mò ń bá wí tí mo ṣe polówó ẹ̀ èmi dẹ̀ ní àṣàjà gan tí máa ń polówó èèyàn but mi ní fẹ́ bẹ jẹ anybody jẹ ṣùgbọ́n ẹnu mi dùn gan tí bá fẹ́ polówó fún. Abímbọ́lá Ṣòǹdè kò tí bọ́ síta ṣe show fún ẹ rí bọ́ nítorí pé Sọjí ló ń polówó ẹ̀ ó ṣe kí ni ó di ọ̀tá Abímbọ́lá di ọ̀tá ẹ̀ ó fún ní court case ṣé kò yẹ ẹ́ sìn same thing tó ṣe fún Farida and so many more of them tí wọ́n ń ṣe kíní kí ló wúkọ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń polówó lórí social media yìí tí wọ́n ń ṣe sága tó ń bẹ̀ jà gbogbo àwọn tí Esabod polówó fún pátápátá gbogbo wọn pátápátá ló ṣe àdàbí fún pátápátá láì ṣe single one show fún ẹ ní ọjọ́ tẹ̀ní tí Esabod àti tó ní pé ó farabalẹ̀ ní because ọba ni Ọlọ́run nìkan lọ́ba dákẹ́ dájọ́ òun nìkan ló máa ń dákẹ́ lòun ló máa ń dá ẹjọ́ fún àwọn ènìyàn tó ń ṣe ibi nínú ayé ṣé kò yẹ tó bá jẹ́ yí pé ó farabalẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ tẹ̀ní tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu agbọ́n olórí burúkú tó wá jókòó 3 hours tó wá ń ṣe show tó wá ń gbé Esabod mọ́ra tó ń gbé Esabod mọ́ra tó ń ṣe gbá tó ń ṣàwò òṣì ọ̀rọ̀ ni ṣé kò yẹ Esabod lè ṣe kó má sọ̀rọ̀ kó kò máa powó PSO káàkiri lọ ṣé kò yẹ gbogbo àwọn tó ń bọ́ síta tó sọ pé àwọn support PSO tí PSO bá ford lọ́wọ́ lọ́la tó bá di lọ́la gbogbo èyí tẹ́ bú PSO wọ́n máa gbé fídíò yín láti máa fi bú PSO ni ṣé kò yé call a spade because àwọn target àwọn people yìí tó ń ta ilẹ̀ even including Lizzy àwọn tó wà ní abroad ló máa ń target their target are the people that are based in abroad kí ni reason why tó ṣe máa ń base tó ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín tó ṣe máa ń target yín because you don't know any place in Nigeria mọ̀ bí kankan ní Nigeria ṣé kò yé yín sí mọ̀ anywhere ní Nigeria ṣé kò yé yín igbó kìjikìji níbi tí wọ́n máa gbé yín lọ ọ̀tọ̀ ní ilẹ̀ tó máa show fún yín ọ̀tọ̀ níbi tí wọ́n máa gbé fún yín pé ibẹ̀ ni kẹ́ ti wá ralẹ̀ ẹ máa wò yí pé that is the reason why their target are the people that based in abroad ṣé kò yé yín tí Esabod bá decide láti dákẹ́ kó dẹ̀ máa ṣàgbọ́ iye tó ń sọ pé tó ń gbà fún advert tí Esabod bá decide láti dákẹ́ and so kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ta ló máa bá jà nínú wọn báwọn ra lé lọ́wọ́ PSO nobody tó máa lè tender anything because wọ́n ṣì rí pé Esabod ń polówó wọn ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀ but Esabod wò pé no enough is enough ṣé kò yé yín sí enough is enough Esabod wá expose PSO because ẹ máa wo àwọn ọlọ́tẹ̀ yìí o ẹ má dá sí ìjà Ìyá Ìbàdàn àti Esabod wọ́n ti jọ ní problem ó ti yé yín sí ẹ máa wo bó ṣe ń lọ wọ́n ti Esabod àti Ìyá Ìbàdàn wọ́n ti jọ ní problem láti lẹ̀ ó ti yé yín ẹ má gbàgbé pé ọmọ ewé ni Ìyá Ìbàdàn tó wọ́n àti Esabod tó jà tó di kanta so tẹ́ bá rí Ìyá Ìbàdàn tó ń wá fún Esabod ẹ̀yin students ẹ gbójú ńbẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí Esabod tó ń wá fún Ìyá Ìbàdàn ẹ gbójú ńbẹ̀ kò sọ́tà wa nínú àwọn méjèèjì ó ti yé yín sí ṣé kò yé yín sí ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi fẹ́ sọ ni pé tẹ́ bá rí anybody tó ń support PSO tó ń bú Esabod àwọn lọ́tẹ̀ ni àwọn tí wọ́n jọ ní kanta ṣé kò yé yín sí tẹ́ bá rí anybody tó ń support Ìyá Ìbàdàn àwọn tó hate Esabod ni tẹ́ bá rí anybody tó ń support Esabod àwọn tó like Ìyá Ìbàdàn ni kò tí yé yín sí ọ̀rọ̀ social media ṣó ti yé yín tẹ́ bá rí anybody tó wà lẹ́yìn PSO fún nǹkan tó ṣe tí ò dá tó scam àwọn ènìyàn ẹ mọ̀ pé ọ̀tẹ̀ ó di dandan kó rìn wọ́n lẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ̀ máa rìn wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ ni torí pé tẹ́ bá sọ fat fún PSO kò ní ever ó máa tún brand there it's a big brand PSO is a very big brand for you to have a name for you to be labeled that kind of a name kò ní sẹ́ni tó máa fẹ́ ṣe business mọ́ pẹ̀lú PSO I'm telling you guys kò ní sẹ́ni tó máa fẹ́ ṣe business pẹ̀lú PSO mọ́ they will not believe you kò sí business tí PSO máa fẹ́ ṣe sí nobody in abroad will be able to do it kò yẹ yín sí pẹ̀lú scandal tó ní pẹ̀lú Esabod pẹ̀lú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn receipt àwọn èèyàn tó gbé jáde they are working for their hand money kò yẹ ó rí pé mi ò lè yọwọ́ síta ni because it's fucking cold it's bringing out block on your block and so many people like that ní ìlú tí wọ́n wà tí ìlú yẹn your block and they are bringing that money to buy land and then scam let's put a spade PSO ọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media it should not be a saga PSO should have come and say okay and you customer me this is the time tí ma sanwó yín pé accepted ẹ sanwó yín lẹ́ǹkan náà ni mo ní lè san gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ǹkan náà ṣé tí ma sanwó tí instrumentally ṣé ẹ mind it should be resolved because of your name you need to guide your name PSO you don't get it you need to guide your name because this is your name that is going to be ruined this is the business that you have worked for so many years unless o bá yẹ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe 419 if you are not being to 419 this is your name and your name is about to be ruined. It's not about saga. It's not about somebody fighting for you. It's not about people hating on Esabod. It's not about people supporting you. No, you see those people that are supporting you, they are the enemy of Esabod. You don't get the logic on social media. They don't like it because you have a problem with Esabod. You are abusing Esabod. That is the reason why you see them. You will see them on your platform. One more, this is the way your platform will be full. No, remember your business. Remember your brand, PSO. Remember your brand. Remember your brand. Your brand is what is going to be tarnished. Do you want to start from the beginning again? How will you start from the beginning? Who is going to trust you? Nobody is going to trust you. Even though you change that name from PSM to another name, don't forget that your name, your real name cannot be changed. Your brand name can be changed, but your real name cannot be changed. Don't jeopardize your brand. Try and resolve it. Even though you don't want to use Esabod anymore as your advert. Don't matter advert. Try and resolve your clients. Do you understand? You see this social media, anybody that is destroying Esabod because of you now, you are destroying your brand. Because Esabod is a saga woman. Esabod was in saga. Everything was on saga. Do you understand? Do you want your brand to be saga? Do you want your name to be destroyed? It is you to be in Kodani. Esabod to be in Kodani to lose. You don't get it. Esabod does not have anything that she is going to lose. So yeah. Tí ikú bá délé ni tọ́lọ́run fún Esabod ní ẹ̀mí gígùn. Tí ikú bá délé ni a máa rí àwọn ọmọ. Esabod ní grandchildren tó máa bu ìyẹ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ lórí. You don't understand. Don't let anybody. It's your brand that you should talk about. Do you understand? You see, Esabod and Yabado, they can never settle. They can never be friends. PSO, listen properly. Esabod and Yabado, they can never be friends. Do you understand? Because they are into saga. They have saga themselves together. Do you understand? Don't think Yabado is favoring you. No. Use your brain. Use your head. Wash your brand. You see saga. Ongulo bali aye Lizzy Jeleni. Do you understand? That a PCR at that time. Timo pity. Fiba only aye she ma restore pada. Ayo restore. Up to now Lizzy oti restore pada. You understand? Don't let saga destroy everything that you have worked for. PSO. Resolve your clients. Do you understand? Resolve them. Owo kekere, and you are collecting it. Do you know how many people that you sold land for just because of Esabod? Do you know how many people that patronize you from Esabod because she do advert for you? Do you know how many people that come to you? Do you know how many people? If you get to your WhatsApp, there is one of my customer in Batimoti, she Lizzy she. I try to persuade that person. But no, why Lizzy only no. Only PSO Mlonji. If you go to your WhatsApp, you will see my number. Number me. You will see it on your WhatsApp. I chat with you with the woman that buy land from you. Do you understand? Lizzy Mama got for the first time. Because that woman did not want Lizzy. And she's my customer. I persuade, I change her mind, do everything. She does not want Lizzy. Because she believes what Esabod have said about Lizzy. There is no way I can change that from her heart. Do you understand? So please and please, you see those people that have believed in you. There are some people that believe you. PMO. Resolve it. Saga. Lo be lo Lizzy. Ibi tí ayé wà lẹ́ni. Aṣọ ẹyọ kan ló máa fi sọ́wọ́ báyìí. Títí ó máa fi ṣe show 6 hours. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa pe Lizzy pé a fẹ́ raṣọ. Lizzy máa ṣe show 6 hours. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa pè pé àwọn fẹ́ raṣọ. Ó dẹ̀ máa ṣe show 6 hours. That is the reason why I'm telling you this morning. PSO, resolve your clients. Even though you don't want to have anything to do with Esabod, don't depart with enemy. Don't depart as enemy. You don't understand. I want to go on my way. I don't need to be enemy with you. I don't need to do enemy with you. I will just depart. I will depart peacefully without having any enmity in my heart towards you. And I'm very, very sure that PSO, you are very, very learning person. Do you understand? You see these people on this saga, they don't have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. You are the one to bring Kandani. You are the one that is inside Aye. Ìwọ ló wà nínú ayé yìí. Then, so more personality that you are mingle yourself with people that are matter in life. Please. They will make sure they destroy those people that move closer to you. Is that what you want for your life? Is that what you want for your business? Is that what you want as your business are growing? Please, yield to my advice. Listen to this advice and use it. Don't let anybody telling you, somebody is a bad person. Let them tell you. But don't use it. Don't use their advice. Just settle with your customer. Settle them. Make sure you have no enemy within them. If you want to give them land, give them genuine land as you have said. If you don't have the line anymore, try and return their money back so that your name can be clean. So that we will carry it everywhere. PSM somewhere, lay your PSM, and your name will be clean. And you let everybody know that, Esabod, I'm not fighting you. I'm not sending Iyabado to you. You disclaim everybody. You need to give a disclaimer. I'm not fighting anybody with you. I'm not sending Iyabado to abuse you. I can never do such a thing. Don't let your business be destroyed. Look at Lizzie. Lizzie cannot rise anymore. She can't. That's why she's so bitter. I understand. I understand where she's coming from. I understand Lizzie properly. She's so bitter. She believes that everybody hates her. She doesn't realize that some people are still in this world that love her. Despite what she's happening in her life. She does not feel that love anymore. She does not believe that people love her. She does not believe it anymore. Please don't let your own life be shattered like that. PSO. Don't let your life be shattered. You are a man so that you can have your sense back. Do you understand? Fighting Esabod is not going to resolve the problem. Let Iyabado. Iyabado has been a saga woman from the onset. Let her and Esabod, they are enemies. Esabod and Iyabado, they are enemies. Remember that. They are enemies. They can never be friends. Do you understand? Please, you love Iyabado. You love Esabod. That is what you should do. Do you understand? You need to give them equal love. You need to disown them. Disclaimer. I did not send Esabod to abuse Iyabado. I did not send Iyabado to abuse Esabod. You need to disclaim them. Let your world know you are not backing anybody's. Nobody that you are backing up. You are not into saga with anybody. This is your business. Anybody that have issue with you, we're going to resolve it. Make sure you resolve it. Your business. That is what you are using to move up in life. That is the reason why this is your business. That is the reason why people that in the caliber, they associate themselves with you. If they start hearing, I will want dig you. I'm digging. Do you see how they dig Lizzie Anjorin's life? Do you see how they dig Lizzie? I remember that time I tell me at Lizzie, I'm a Kenny. I'm a Kenny, money. You are long. What to think? I'm a Kenny. Please. They can dig. Those things that you think nobody know about it, they will dig. And people that move closer to you will be your downfall. Hello, ma. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ṣé wà pa? Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Kí lẹ fẹ́ rà mọ́? Yeah, pọ̀mọ́ wà. Panla, yeah, 3 kg ní 90 pound. Pọ̀mọ́ 12 ní 10 pound. Okay, 22 kg. 22 kg panla ní 650. Yeah. 20 kg panla ní 650. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ pọ̀mọ́ 30 kg, 650 ní pọ̀mọ́ 30 kg. 650 ní pọ̀mọ́ 30 kg. Panla 22 kg. 45 kg ní gbogbo box ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbogbo box ẹ̀. But tẹ́ bá fẹ́ half ẹ̀, gbogbo box ẹ̀ is 1,200. 1,200. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbogbo box ẹ̀, but half ẹ̀ ní 650. Half ẹ̀ lẹ fẹ́. Okay. Yeah. Shama post any abi Emaragbe. Okay, Scotland. Okay. I'm a post here ni gba 30 jino. Yes. So ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí a ṣe lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ká ṣe pọ̀mọ́ lọ́tọ̀ ká dẹ̀ ṣe panla lọ́tọ̀. Okay. £20.95 ni postage ma. máa fún yín lákàn tẹ́ bá ti sanwó but ọlá ló máa gbé wọn lè gbé lẹ́ni mọ́ ọlá ló máa gbé all right ma a fún yín lákàn tẹ́ máa sanwó sí all right ma bye ma. ṣé kò yẹ yín sí I'm telling you guys PSO mo fi Ọlọ́run títóbi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín tẹ́ bá ní ìyá láyé mo fi ẹlẹ́dàá ìyá yín bẹ̀ yín mo fi gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá àwọn ọmọ yín mo fi bẹ̀ yín ayé yín ò ní ẹ wò ṣé ti rí kòtò táwọn ọ̀tá ti gbẹ́ sílẹ̀ bí kẹ́ má rí ọwọ́ lọ sẹ́nu kò ní ẹ̀ ní bọ́ sínú kòtò yẹn o ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n fi ara wọn bọ́ sínú kòtò yẹn àwọn tó wà nínú sága yìí wọ́n máa ń ba ayé èèyàn jẹ́ ni ẹ lọ bèèrè nínú ìgbésí ayé Lizzy máa wíwí tó bá bèèrè lọ́wọ́ Lizzy níbo ni ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ wà lẹ́nìí ó máa sọ fún yín ago ò ṣe fadà a lè fawó ago sẹ́yìn mọ́ fún Lizzy ni o tó bá ṣe é ṣe ká fọwọ́